Hey there, welcome to Even my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to show discount percentage on product page in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with DOM theme and you wanted to customize it by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down. You see there is a product that have discount. So I'm going to click on the view details. Looks here, and we wanted to show percentage or discount on here instead of sales. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to go to online store, click on this three dot icon. But you see we are working on the DOM theme, but if you look at first time this website, you think this may be any premium theme. Basically this is highly customized theme that I have customized for my audience who want to make their Shopify online store professional. Like this one, we have added a lot of things in here, everything customizable. Looks here. Okay, you see. Okay, so go back. When you click on this three dot icon, there will be a pop-up box. Click on the edit code. Okay, now you have to check out the description of this video because I have shared this article link in the video description. This is my website e-commerce thesis where I have published an full article including all the code snippet. So we are going to follow this article to complete this process. Okay, so first of all we have to open price.liquid file. So copy this name, go back, search price.liquid file, and you see there is a file named price.liquid. Then go back, e-commerce thesis, and find this line of code, copy, press Ctrl F from your keyboard, then Ctrl V, click on the next. You see there is the line of code that we are looking. Then replace this code with this one, copy, go back, select this code, remove and add new code, click on the save, asset save. Now go to the website product page, click on the reload. Wow, you see 33% off. Looks here. Also we have to do another things in the card-product.liquid file to ensure the discount page appear consistently on your product and correction page. Okay, we are going to do this one also. So open this file, copy, okay, card product, and search this line of code. You don't have to write any single line of code. Ctrl F from your keyboard, then Ctrl V, then click on the next. Okay, and replace this code with this one. So same as like previous, remove. Okay, click on the save. Perfect. Okay, then we can add CSS on the base.css file. So going to copy this code and open base.css file. scroll down, add this line of code in here, click on the save, asset save. Now reload. Wow, has been updated with red color background and white color text. Looks good, but we wanted to add a animate shake effect on here. That's why I'm going to add some advanced CSS code from here. So copy this line of code, add it on here, and simply add this code, remove this line of code. Okay, click on the save and reload again. Wow, you see there is a shake animate effect. We can change the time from here based on our requirement. Just change it, for example. Okay, reload again. It's shaking continuously, very fast. We can make it 3 seconds. And now checking. Okay, yes, now it's perfect. So I hope you understand how we have added show percentage discount on product page on Shopify drum theme. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.